Hi guys, this is the end results. Let me see. Ooh, this is wow. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. So I'm just going to rinse it out, and I'm not going to use any shampoo or something else. I will just rinse it out and style it. It feels so soft. I'm telling you, it was so dry. So I'm telling you these things, the combination of avocado, egg yolk is the best. Cheap, easy to make, and you're very sure or certain that there is no chemicals added. So I'm telling you, this is the way to go for 4C natural hair. Wow, I love it. I love it. Oh wow, I can't wait to see the end product. So I'm just going to style my hair, and I'm going to use a gel because today I'm shooting another video and I need to look to the point. So this is how it is with the natural hair. Look at how long my hair is. Ladies, look at the end results of deep treatment with homemade organic products, that is avocado and egg yolk. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm going now to style my hair using the Eco gel. This one, it's quite massive. I like it, and I'm just going to have a ponytail. I've been using it. It's very nice, and yeah, show you the results of a styled hair after deep treatment. This is how my hair has turned up. Look at that. So I did use Eco gel, and the hair is really lovely. I like the texture. And now look at it, it's really long. Anyway, this is an extension, you know. We fake it until it's real, eh? Yeah, my earrings are actually African's earring. I love them. Gives a nice accent. If you guys liked my video, click the button and click the bell so that you can get all the time the notification whenever I post a new video. And remember to tell a friend and subscribe. Let's make this a going on journey. So as the name says, Betty Safari. So bye bye. Thank you for watching.